What's up, guys? I just got my Specialty Z flywheel pressure plate, and well, not the clutch back, but or not the disc back, but anyways, I got these balanced at the shop, machine shop. Just finished them up. See the little drill spots there and there. All nice and balanced. Anyway, this pressure plate has 850 foot-pounds of torque, or clamping force. It's pretty awesome. It's a 5-puck disc, and it's aluminum. It's pretty sweet too. It's actually like 4 pounds lighter than the stock one, or something ridiculous, just because this disc is aluminum. Aluminum flywheel, obviously, lightweight. I actually have 2 setups. This is going to be my drag setup because it's sectioned. You see how it's 4 different pieces versus my Fidenza flywheel is 1. Those don't do as well with drag racing, but I could use that on the track, so I'll use this as my drag setup. Anyway, it's pretty nice. These are made by RPS for Specialty Z, and then Specialty Z does their little extra mods to it. Same with this clutch. This is the high 5 clutch, meaning 5-puck. Sick shit. It's about $1,100 for all this. I got it used with 2,000 miles on it, or less than 2,000 miles on it, which is literally no wear on it at all. Just little tiny break-in marks, that's it. It's cool. It's actually broken in for me. This guy never launched on it or anything. It's perfect. So, it's a pretty sweet deal for me. I won't say how much. I don't want to make you guys jealous. Anyway, it's almost done, guys. It's going in soon. My buddy's coming over this next week, and we're putting it in. Alright, have some more up soon.